Are you managing projects in Microsoft 365, but not sure whether to use Microsoft Planner or SharePoint Lists? Both tools are powerful, but they serve very different purposes. In this video, I'll explain the pros and cons so you can choose the best fit for your projects. Planner is a visual task management tool that uses a Kanban-style board. You can organize tasks into buckets, assign people, set due dates, attach files, and track progress easily. It's simple, lightweight, and perfect for teamwork inside Microsoft Teams. SharePoint Lists, on the other hand, are like online databases or smart Excel sheets. You can create columns, customize data types, add rules, and connect them with other apps. They're far more structured and ideal for tracking detailed project information or building small internal tools. Planner pros: very easy to use and quick to set up. Great visual overview of tasks. Works perfectly with Microsoft Teams. Ideal for small or medium projects. Planner cons: limited customization and automation. Basic reporting features. Not built for large or structured projects. SharePoint pros: fully customizable with columns, filters, and views. Easier to automate with Power Automate. Works great with Power BI for dashboards. Can handle thousands of records efficiently. Better permissions, structure, and version history. This is where SharePoint Lists really shine: automation. You can send deadline reminders automatically, create or update items from Microsoft Forms, trigger approval workflows, or notify people when key fields change. You can also schedule recurring tasks, sync data with Excel or Planner, and even generate PDF reports when a project is completed. That level of flexibility simply isn't possible in Planner. SharePoint cons: steeper learning curve. Less visual for daily task tracking. Can feel too advanced for small teams. Bottom line, Planner is great for teamwork and quick task execution. SharePoint Lists are better for automation, tracking, and structured project management. Many organizations even use both: Planner for daily tasks, and SharePoint Lists for automation, reporting, and control. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Automate M365 for more Microsoft 365 and Power Automate tutorials.